people of the world. Oh, this is not set up yet, sorry. We are working with price being traded underneath this gap here on the 5 minute. So I'm targeting either this engineered buy side liquidity or London's high. One of the two. More than likely just this right here. We're gonna take the 30 points. You got the right one, baby. Dope sound. Do the brown. Let's see here. Alright, 30 minutes is closing beautifully after taking this liquidity point. And there is divergence within a higher time frame key reference point. Bullish for value gap. We went bullish and overnight run. I mean, more likely we could be seeing seek and destroy. Price has been doing nothing but consolidating the entire time, and it's having a hard time closing underneath this equilibrium point of the fair value gap, the higher time frame. So if price is bearish, price should not come back up above here, and if it does, we'll be entering. We will be entering a buy stop. So let me have my buy stop prepared. All right, 375 buy stop. All right, and we'll go for a 30-point move on here. So 23,405. 23,405. Beautiful. And then stops would be right at 10 points. If price comes up, I will not want it to come back down. Let's see what happens. And then stop should be 65. Let me just prepare that here. We have a minute and a half. A minute and a half. All right. After grabbing this liquidity point, perfect. Buy stop at 364. 364 buy stop. Boom. All set. 364 buy stop. And as soon as it hits, let's see here. We're gonna go for 40 points on that one. Yeah, we'll go for 40 points on that one. Now let's see how we do here. Once again.
Stop field.
Okay. We are in. And stops will be at 15 points. Now it might come back down low. 349 sell stop. This is an aggressive entry. Yes. And take profit 23,404. Let's put that 404 and beautiful. That's our 40 points. All right. If price can give me a break of the, just cross over this gap here, we'll have another entry. Seems like we're gonna get hit. Our stop loss is gonna get hit, seems like. Alright, so buy stop at 376 for an extra position at 376. And all take profit is going to be at 404. So let's add another order at 404 for take profit. Beautiful. All right, let's see how this goes. Second entry at 376. Okay, so now the stops for this trade here, we're gonna put it at 50% risk. So now it's going to be at, so if this is 15, so what, 7.5, right? 6.5. Okay, so 356. 356. Beautiful. Stops are now at 356. It's fairly tight, very risky to have stops there, but if price comes there, there's a good chance that price may want to go lower than that, and we don't want to take that risk. Our second position is about to get filled in. Beautiful.
Stop filled.
Okay. Pushing my stops to 368. I should not come anywhere near that. Actually, I'm going to put it at 366. 366. And boom. 366 it is. All stops are 366. And as soon as price, if price, you know what? We're going to keep stops at 364. I'm pushing my stops to 364. Just those extra 2 points can mean all the difference. So 364 it is. Where is it? It's right there. Beautiful. All right.
Stop filled.
And we're done. Oh.
Order filled.
All right, that's beautiful. So we're gonna wait for more information. So we are down. We're down 10 points, right? Or 15 points, is it? I'm muted. Can you hear me now? I shouldn't be muted. Can you hear me? Or no? Am I still muted? I shouldn't be muted. You still can't hear me? That's not good. Can you hear me now? Or is it still not good? Beautiful. All right. So I was expecting manipulation, but our ultimate target for today would be this 4-hour range equilibrium. All right. So our entry is now going to be if price can come back up 23,349. Now remember, we're only down. What is it? What was that? 12 points. We're down 12 points on the day. All right, so we're down 12 points on the day. And 340, we do 350. 23,350 sell limit. And sell limit. All right, and then for this one is going to be just the bottom of this order block. So we're gonna do 15 points on this one. All right. So what is that? 365? 365 stop loss.
Order filled.
Buy stop. Beautiful. That is a good chance. Boom. All right. Moment of truth. Do we continue or do we get stopped out? Because all of this could just been price manipulating this coming down. Could have been price manipulating in order to grab more liquidity, which it did. All of that, it did. And if we could get an inverse right here, then the manipulation coming to take all this buy-side liquidity was still there. The idea was still there. And all I had to do was wait to see on how price reacts here. But moment of truth, right? Moment of truth. We're gonna go for 60 points here. Take profit 23,290. What would that be, a buy limit? And I'm putting my take profit 290. Beautiful. So we're down 12 points so far. Let me just mark that up real quick, that we are in fact down 12 points. All right, let me see. Price is really liking the idea of coming up. Okay, so as soon as if price is able to come and grab the bottom of this candle, we're pushing our stops to 50% risk. And that would be set at 23,357.5. So if price can grab the bottom of this up candle, validating it as an order block, stops me at 5. Yeah, there's a good chance that we might, yeah. All right, beautiful. Now
Stop
remember,
filled.
you guys are here to watch me trade. You guys are here to watch me trade. And I trade how... Alright, so that's 27. Alright, so I have all the confidence that this is not what we're going to do. And trust me, this is not me going, oh, price doing this, price doing that. No, on the 1 minute. I don't only focus on the 1 minute. Higher time frames are telling me that more than likely we'll continue up. So if I'm able to catch manipulation and capitalize on manipulation, I'm going to capitalize on manipulation. And price already did that here. And we're already showing signature of price continuing up higher. So 365 buy stop. I'm not going to explain myself. We'll just wait to see what the results tell us. So buy stop here. I have room. I still have room. All right, beautiful. I still have room. All right. And boom. All right, beautiful.
Stop filled.
And our take profit.
Stop filled.
Our take profit is going to be. We'll keep it at 35 for now. Obviously, I think it could go all the way to London's high, but we're gonna keep it at 30. We'll keep it at 30. Now, because I am so highly confident on this trade, I went double the risk. So, although this is 30 points, for me, it'll be like 60 points because I doubled down on it. And we're going to go ahead and put our take profit where it belongs. What is that? 395, right? 395. Beautiful. All right, beautiful. All right. Now let's see how this goes, baby. Give it to me. I love trading. I mean, we'll be at break even on the day. I'm not gonna say we're up 3 points, but I will say we're at break even. But I will obviously be in profit today. So it's kind of weird how the math works. Like we're at break even on the day as far as price action, but I'm gonna end up in profits. Doesn't make sense. It really doesn't make any sense, but I love it. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Let me see everybody took it right. Okay. Alright, as soon as price comes up and takes the high of this candlestick right here, stops at break even. So this here will put me at break even on the day. I mean, on this trade, sorry. So stops will be pushed to 365 as soon as this gets violated. All right, and let me see, stops are now at 365, break even. Beautiful. Well, I have mine at 365.75, but let's see. Now, depending on how, all right, so the macro is about to come. So there's a good chance that we may actually come up to this 15-minute fair value gap to give it a nice little retest and possibly grab the London highs. So I'm gonna push my take profit to 405. Because now that I'm looking at the time, and this is the 5-minute time frame, depending on how this closes, the 950 macro might be able to give us a nice push to the upside. And we do have this untapped order block in here. So we shall see. And I think we're going, okay, never mind. I thought price was going towards my stop. Come on, baby, give me that. We got 950 macro right here. Give me a nice strong push. Let me see how the 5-minute is closing. It's closing fairly strong. And we have low resistance coming up all the way to London's high. All of this is low resistance. There's a good chance that we take London's high. Do I want to take the risk on pushing my take profit and having price reverse on me before taking my profit? I don't know. Let's see how this closes. Depending on how this closes, we either keep our take profit here or push it an extra 10 points. But for right now, yeah, we'll just keep it there. Although there's a good chance that we might go to London's high, I'd rather just keep it safe. Okay. So after we take this engineered buy side liquidity at 391, I'm going to be pushing my stops to 375. Yeah, I'm gonna be pushing my stops to 375. And over here, the macro is just revisiting this fair value gap here. Boom. And then we have this inversion that price just created right now. And we got tapped into this fair value gap here. Macro is beautiful because the job of the macro is what? To target liquidity and imbalances in the market. That's his job, right? And we have two objectives here that are layered upon each other. We have this fair value gap and inversion that just got created right now. And this inversion, when it was a gap, this inversion had the effect on price to where it constantly dropped it to take it. There should be no reason why price came up above here. And it just did that, giving us an extra confidence in price continuing towards our target. All right, so now stops are at 375. 10 points. I'm going to go ahead and move that before 375. Beautiful. Gorgeous. I don't like the fact that price did not close above. I would like to see some strong continuation at this candlestick right here. I don't want price to wait for the next candlestick. This exact candlestick needs to close above. And our stops are at 375. Give me 405, baby. 405, you're right there. Give it to me. Give it to me. 40 points. Yeah, we're taking London's high for sure. Yeah, we're taking London's high for sure. I'm gonna take partial. I'm gonna take partial at 405 and leave the rest running for an extra 10 points. So partial at 405. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So 5. All right. So I got partials at 405, and then of the rest is gonna be taken out at 415. Yep, 415. So we got 405, and then the rest at 415. All right, so we got partials here. 4, 5. Partials. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm sorry, guys. For some reason, TradingView didn't want to connect to my Tradeovate, which you need to go to Tradeovate settings and activate TradingView. No, yeah, I know about that on the options and the add-ons, right? But now the thing is that sometimes it gives you an error. I don't know why. Like you try to log in and it gives you an error. I think it's because I'm logged in on my phone or I'm logged in on Tradeovate here. I don't know what it is. Yesterday it worked. The day prior it didn't work. Right? What is it? Wednesday it had the same problem. And I didn't want to stress myself out because I need to keep my mind clear for today. 50% partials. Beautiful. Give it to me, baby. What? Who the fuck? Give me 1 second.
Order filled.
Let's go! Partials. We're on the way to TP. Okay. Hey, how you doing, Mr. Solly? If you're still here. All right, stop loss. Where is going to be our stop loss? Our stop loss is now at 384. Our stop loss is now at 384, guys. 384. Come on. 384. Give me strong continuation, baby. Come on. Give me strong continuation. Wow, this is going to be my biggest day of the month. My biggest day of the month. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. I know you can do it. Give it to me. All right, 374. Pushing my stops. Wait, what? 384, sorry. 384. Oh, man, don't do it. Don't do it. 3, 4. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Don't do it. No. Go back. No. Hey! Stop! Freeze!
Stop filled.
Oh wow, what the heck just happened? What?
Order filled.
Yeah, I don't know why I answered me in the order there, but alright, that's it. That's all I got for today. And I'm pretty sure price is gonna continue all the way up. I'm pretty freaking sure of it. I should have kept my stop loss where it was. But that's okay. That's okay. We are at 24.44 for the day. Could have been more, but hey, we won back our losses by a lot, actually, by a lot. We won back our losses by a lot. So we're at break even for today. I don't want to do the math. Obviously, we're in profits, but I'm just gonna say that we're at break even. Right? That's a better estimate. It's not like we lost, and I'm saying, oh, we're at break even. No, we won. But I'm gonna say we're at break even because I'm not gonna do the math for that. Yeah, thank you guys for being here. Whoever was here, I appreciate you guys for being here. There's a good chance that the hourly is gonna take price higher. So let's just see how it reacts on the open in 30 seconds. And we might take it all the way to London's high. But for at the moment, I'm just on the sidelines. And if price takes London's high before, without giving me a setup, then I'm done for today. So let's see how it opens in 10 seconds. We have 10 seconds for the hourly open. And let's see how it reacts, and then we'll take it for a full run. This was our stop loss here. After price took partials. Wow, that was partials 50%. And then it dropped immediately. Let's see how price does here. Or how about this? Since I'm not gonna do the math for how many points we won, because 50% partial is there, that takes off a little bit of whatever was here, because although this is 40 points, it doesn't count as catching 40 points if you didn't take the entirety of your position out, right? A lot of people, and not to say anything bad about them, I mean, okay. All right, so we're gonna put buy limit at 400, 23,400. 23,400 buy limit. All right, beautiful. Okay, I'm at 23,400 buy limit.
Order filled.
Okay, and we're taking it all the way to London's high. Let me see. All right, we're gonna go for 15 points on here. Oh, please don't do me wrong. Please go all the way, baby. All right, so what is that? That would be 414. Wait, hold up. There's not even. Oh, I dropped water. All right. Okay, so 415. Sorry, 415. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. We do this. We do this. We really do this. Come on. Come on. Give me that. Give me that. You already know, baby. Come on. All right. And stops would be at... we'll pull stops 3 points here. Right there. 3 points. 3 point stop. 3 points. Price should not come down 3 points. What is that? 97, right? 97. And I'm about to be out. I'm not gonna let price go all the way there. Let's see if I close or not. Come on, you're right there. Just take London's high. Come on. All right, stops at break even. Stops at break even. Stops at break even. Let's go. Oh, my stops are at 0.5. Ooh.
Stop filled.
All right, break even. That's it. I'm done. All right, I'm done. 24.42. Beautiful. All right. Y'all have a great day. Thank you guys for being here, and see you on Monday.